Time and good friends are two things that become more valuable the older you get. Friendship is like a comforting coffee and a sweet snack. Life happens, coffee helps. You are the part of every day. Life is not perfect, but your coffee can be. Sometimes you just need more coffee. Heat hot coffee in cold weather, nothing better than that. Winter was made for hot coffee, warm blankets, and large books. Make some coffee, grab a book, and watch as heaven opens its gates. Every cup of coffee shared with a friend is a memory in the making. Let's have coffee together for the rest of our lives. Good coffee is a pleasure, good friends are a treasure. Sometimes having coffee with your best friend is all the therapy you need. A good friend will know how you take your coffee. A coffee date with a good friend fills my cup in more ways than one. Coffee and friends make the perfect blend. I don't need an inspirational quote, I need coffee. Good ideas start with brainstorming, great ideas start with coffee. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay happy, stay healthy, goodbye.